Today, we'll be going over how to install X6062S on your Lexus. First, you'll want to get the rear of your vehicle raised and place it on jack stands for access. With a trim removal tool, remove the plastic fasteners under the bumper. Let all the mounting struts hang downward. Next, remove the plastic fasteners on the kick sensor, placing the kick sensor out of the way of the installation area. Then, place the driver side plate onto the driver side mounting frame holes, partially threading an M12 bolt into each hole. We recommend having a second person for this next step, as you need to carefully hold the bumper away from the exhaust and slide the hitch cross tube into place. Center the hitch cross tube between the two side plates and place a 7/16 carriage bolt into each square hole on the hitch cross tube. Once the bolt thread is coming through the side plate mounting holes, place a flat washer on the end of each bolt followed by a nut to secure it in place. Reinstall the kick sensor using the correct plastic inserts. Finally, reinstall the bumper struts. When you're ready to use your EcoHitch, slide the adapter into the receiver, securing it with the provided 5/8 hardware, making sure to torque it to the proper foot-pounds before each use.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing TorqueLift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.